Hi, it's me Laurent, and I have something really special for you. This is the world debut of the new Sunseeker Ocean 156. She's 82 feet length overall, and she has a beam of 21.6, which is 3 inches larger beam than the 88 yacht. Come have a look. Wow, I just had a sneak peek and I'm very excited about this. It's going to be an incredible popular boat in the United States. So I'm here on the aft platform. You can have a Williams 435, and this 156 has actually the award-winning Extend. And I'm here on the aft cockpit area, and all absolutely beautiful loose furniture. And you have storage on this side. You can also have a stairs which goes up to the aft flybridge area, and on your starboard side you have the day head. And as I said earlier, I'm absolutely blown away with the abundance of space. You have the full glazing all the way from main deck to the overhead. I'm here all the way forward on the main deck, and you have this beautiful round table. Absolutely beautiful. You can go from your dining area inside. You just slide these doors open, and then you have this entertainment area on the bow, and both stairs towards the staterooms as well, going up to the enclosed flybridge. Very wide indeed. And you have here a sliding door on the flybridge, and when you head out you have another area here to entertain friends and family. And actually you have the option here to have a jacuzzi as well. And this one captain chair, but it works very well. You got another seating here on your starboard side. I'm heading now to the staterooms down below. Let me start off with the VIP. And obviously on both port and starboard you have the guest staterooms. And look at this beautiful new interior. Just like on the 88, I'm here in the VIP, and it's absolutely, it's almost like a second master stateroom. Now I'm heading to the master. All the new fit and finish here with the lock. Then we're here in the master. Large windows on both sides. The detail, again, absolutely beautiful. And the master ensuite